This will be a review and demonstration of the Bear Hot Electric Hot Pot. This will include instructions which are really detailed. It also includes a 365-day warranty from the manufacturer, the power cord, and of course the pot and lid themselves. The lid does have a vent for steam, and overall I really love the aesthetic of this. It does have some light gripping at the bottom as well as a beautiful bronze switch on the handle. This also includes some silicone grips on the bottom so that this doesn't move out of place if it is on a hard surface. The power switch is really easy to use, it just slides into place. The power cord connects with the pot at the bottom of the handle. This electric pot is super portable. You just need to be somewhere near an outlet, but otherwise you can use it on so many different surfaces and in so many different settings. The light will indicate when the pot is on or off. There are multiple settings. There's off, 500 watts, and then 1000 watts. This holds 2 liters of water, and it is also a non-stick pot. This is great for soups, ramen, eggs, and numerous other items. Overall, I was really impressed with the quality of this item. I really love the portability of it, and I highly recommend it to others.